The most comprehensive electronic health record software for patients is coming soon, integrating transparency of all your medical treatments and medicines. Now the patients can take control of their health care and find the best deals, doctors, and medicines without compromising safety and outcomes. Now, patients shall be able to negotiate personally in an online marketplace their own prices individually with each provider, directly in an open market. This free revolutionary software application to manage patients' electronic health records allows for instant e-transactions, clearances, authorizations, invoicing, and paying directly without intermediaries to receive fast and immediate e-payments, reaching the best healthcare providers and medicines available at affordable prices. Moreover, it can manage all patients' electronic health record activities more efficiently using just one application to prevent human errors, malpractices, or omissions. This technology can connect, control, and handle all medical activity transactions of each patient with their respective providers as doctors, hospitals, pharmacies, laboratories, health insurance companies, pharmaceutical companies, research centers, clinical trials, public health agencies, etc. This amazing technology is designed to allow the patients the flexibility to be encountered in the most comfortable place, no matter where they are. Doctor's appointments management, optimize your time using real or remote consulting, online insurance clearances to process fast payments. We bring the artificial intelligence to handle the most important patient activities, as online medical orders with instant insurance authorizations, assistance verification of the patient's contradictions and adverse effects of prescriptions, find pharmacies and laboratories with better products and lower prices. You'll be impressed on how easy you can handle online global electronic health records for patients, prescriptions management, online laboratory orders. For the first time, one application can allow patients to manage online so many features: inpatient order and post-appointment follow-up, prevention of doctors' human errors and malpractice situations, nursing assistance, assistance for second medical opinions. More than that, our innovative technology is designed to promote and support future advances and discoveries in remote patients' continuous monitoring, personalized medicine genome DNA research, 911 notifications management.
It's a great opportunity to empower the patients with new technology challenges and more control of their healthcare costs. The future of the patient's health is bright, at home and abroad, because we believe that healthcare should be a right for every person and not a privilege. We are working hard to bring the best patient electronic health record system anytime, anywhere, and on any device. The first health technology lifestyle channel for patients. For more information about how you can have better control of your healthcare costs and benefits, follow us, subscribe and share us. Visit us at www.ciqa.net and sign up for a free membership.